Johnson, and I'm here at WJMGW's recording studio in Manhattan, New York. Tonight I have a sure shocker in the news for you. Our leading Olympic speed skating champion, Ralph Ralston, died in a training session at a crowded ice rink in Dix Hills, New York. This just in, a weather bulletin from Honolulu, Hawaii. Yes, it is surprising, but there have been reports of a blizzard. But don't worry, our correspondent Lizzie Donaby is here to give her opinion of the story.
Thanks, Joe.
And here's our weather forecaster in Honolulu, Hawaii, Donald O'Reilly.
It's freezing out here, Joe. A real blizzard, so to speak.
Well, Joe, I think the problem is due to a turbulent atmospheric overabundance of potatoes.
Potatoes?
Carrots? Thanks.
That's right. Potatoes!
Well, you did ask me first, Joe, but I think the real reason is global warming.
Tell us more about your theory, Lizzie.
Well, potatoes trigger the aquatic property of hydrophoresis in clouds.
The reason is potatoes, huh? Potatoes! Potatoes! Ah, the pain! The work! Ah!
Donald, are you alright? Are you there? Are you there?
And we're having a little malfunction down here, Joe.
Who is this?
It's Bill.
The cameraman?
Yes.
What's happening out there?
Yeah, there's a little malfunction, so it's showing.
Yeah, skip to the point. Is it really raining potatoes?
You bet your sweet life it is.
Put us onto some live feed of what's happening down there, Bill.
Right.
We must see what's happening. Look, America! Look, national television! I'm flooded! I'm flooded to snow! And then, there's a bunch of potatoes out here! Come on! Potatoes! Come on!
Damn it! Damn it!
Well, that just about wraps up our program, folks. See you in July. This is Joe Johnson, signing off. Look at me! I'm a killer! Why are you going back to your pretty kid?